Welcome back to Trend Cars, the channel where innovation, design, and the future of mobility come together. Today we have something so special that it will truly redefine your idea of luxury on wheels. We are diving deep into the world of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome, a vehicle that doesn't just transport you but transforms the way you experience. Travel. The name Maybach itself is synonymous with ultimate luxury refinement and timeless design. Mercedes has taken this legacy to the next level by blending it with the practicality and freedom of a motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it is a rolling 5-star mansion designed for those who want the finest experience without compromise, whether you are crossing continents or just enjoying a weekend getaway. This masterpiece ensures that every journey feels like a first-class flight. Let's start with the design. The exterior of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is pure elegance. Stretched over a body that is both commanding and graceful. From the front, you are greeted by the iconic Maybach grille, now reimagined in a bolder, wider stance flanked by ultra-slim LED lighting that glows like a jewel. The chrome detailing runs seamlessly across the lines of the motorhome, giving it a stately aura that few vehicles on Earth can match. Its sheer size is commanding, but it has been sculpted to look aerodynamic, sleek, and futuristic. The large panoramic windows not only enhance the look but also bring natural light into the interior, making the living spaces feel open and airy. Now step inside, because this is where the Maybach philosophy truly comes alive. Open the automatic sliding door and you are welcomed into what feels like a luxury penthouse suite. On wheels, every surface has been crafted with precision, from hand-stitched Napa leather to genuine wood veneers, brushed aluminum accents, and even customizable ambient lighting. The interior is a sanctuary for relaxation and sophistication. Plush lounge chairs await you with massage, heating, and cooling functions so that you never feel discomfort during long drives. The seating can rotate, recline, and even convert into loungers, offering flexibility that feels more like a private jet cabin than a motorhome. Moving further inside, you enter the living space designed to offer comfort and style no matter where you are. A full-size sofa with adjustable configurations sits across from a retractable smart television system with integrated surround sound. You can stream movies, video calls, or even run business meetings while cruising on the open road. The ceiling features a customizable starlight display similar to what Rolls-Royce popularized, but here it has been taken to another level with personalized constellations and mood settings. Imagine lying back in your Maybach motorhome while watching the stars both inside and outside the cabin. The kitchen is where practicality meets sophistication. It is fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, a concealed oven, and even a built-in coffee station. Every element is designed to blend seamlessly into the cabinetry when not in use, so the space remains clutter-free. Countertops are made of polished marble, giving it the aura of a luxury apartment rather than a vehicle. For those who value restful sleep, the bedroom area is truly a sanctuary. It features a queen-size memory foam bed with premium bedding and noise insulation technology, so you sleep undisturbed no matter where you park. A hidden wardrobe with automated lighting provides ample storage space while still maintaining the clean Maybach aesthetic. Adjacent to the bedroom is the bathroom, which redefines motorhome luxury with a rainfall shower, heated floors, a smart mirror that doubles as an infotainment screen, and premium fittings in brushed gold. This space could rival some of the best hotel suites in the world. Technology in the 2026 Maybach Motorhome is at the cutting edge. The entire vehicle is controlled through a central AI-assisted interface. You can adjust lighting, climate, seat configuration, and even entertainment with simple voice commands. Connectivity is guaranteed thanks to satellite internet, ensuring that whether you are in the middle of a city or on a remote mountain road, you are always online. The motorhome also features autonomous driving capabilities, allowing it to handle highways and long stretches with ease, while you relax inside. Safety remains at the forefront, with advanced driver assistance systems, real-time monitoring, and even drone integration, so you can scout your surroundings before parking in unfamiliar terrain. Powering this massive luxury home on wheels is a state-of-the-art hybrid electric drivetrain designed for efficiency and strength. Despite its size, the Maybach Motorhome delivers a surprisingly smooth, quiet, and eco-friendly performance. With long-range electric capability paired with a high-efficiency combustion engine, you can travel vast distances without compromise. Charging infrastructure has been considered as well, with fast charging technology and the ability to recharge through solar panels seamlessly integrated into the roof. Of course, no Maybach would be complete without customization options. Buyers of the 2026 motorhome can personalize nearly every aspect, from the color palette and materials to the layout itself. Whether you want a two-person luxury retreat or a family-oriented layout with additional lounge areas, Maybach ensures your motorhome is as unique as your lifestyle. Special limited editions may even feature collaborations with fashion houses or renowned designers to push exclusivity even further. What makes this vehicle so revolutionary is not just its luxurious appointments, but the fact that it blends mobility, freedom, and indulgence into one seamless package. Imagine driving from Monaco to Milan, hosting a dinner with friends along the way, or parking by a Swiss lake and enjoying the view from your private lounge. This is not just travel, it is a statement that the journey itself matters just as much as the destination for those who dream bigger. The Maybach Motorhome even integrates smart outdoor living solutions with a retractable awning, climate-controlled outdoor lounge seating, and even a concealed mini kitchen for alfresco dining. The experience expands beyond the walls of the motorhome. It is designed to make nature feel like an extension of luxury rather than a compromise. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome represents the pinnacle of automotive luxury. It is more than transportation. It is a lifestyle statement, a rolling palace that lets you experience the world without giving up any comfort or elegance. It shows us that the future of travel is not about speed alone, but about combining freedom with the finest things life has to offer. So what do you think is the 2026 Maybach Motorhome? The ultimate symbol of luxury travel. Would you take it across Europe or park it by the ocean for a weekend retreat? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know how you would live the motorhome dream. Thank you for watching Trend Cars, where we bring you the latest in innovation, luxury, and automotive design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the vehicles shaping the future. Until next time, drive safe, travel in style, and always keep dreaming big.